Welcome to Maassen Dairy. We're located in Maurice, Iowa. That's in northwest Iowa. We've been here basically our whole life for all 5 generations, so we've got quite a bit of legacy to grow on.
We currently milk 1,800 Holstein cows. We also have 25 employees that work with us, along with the 4 of us as owners. So it's myself and 2 brothers and our father. We really liked CowManager because of the tags, the convenience of installing compared to like a neck band. And we were used to everything being in the ear already with our RFIDs and all of our tags, so it fit well with that.
The nice thing about CowManager is really easy to put in new tags or to link or delink new cows or new heifers. I mean, if there's one that needs it right away, you just quick grab it, link it right to your phone. If it's really user-friendly, it's not like you have to take the numbers back to your office and put them in later. It's just quick and efficient.
Biggest thing that we use CowManager for is heat detection in the heifers. I personally was usually the one that from the feed truck would go watch to see if one was in heat when I was driving in there, and I tried to catch them all, but obviously you can't. Now I've been surprised that you go in the freestall barn and they're laying down, they're in a perfect heat and they can be bred. So I know that we're catching more in heat on their natural heat than what we were before.
The biggest benefit of CowManager for us is you have a set of eyes on every single cow 24 hours a day, every day of the week. We can target our time to the animals that really need the attention, but then also trust the monitoring that, okay, the rest of the herd, the rest of the cows are doing great.
Naturally, being the oldest, I was really skeptical first to use that technology, plus I'm a dollar and cents guy. So anyway, kind of looked at that first and I thought, oh boy, this is quite an investment, thinking, is this going to pay for itself or not? But we asked a lot of questions to different people that have used CowManager and said, hey, let's go for it. Never looked back, thinking it's been a great return on investment.
It's an investment. Like, I see the cost of it up front and are surprised just at what it takes to put in a system like this, but the value of what you can get out of it is so much more than that. Just in a limited amount of information that you can glean from your herd and care for it better.
I can't say enough for as much skeptical as I was going into it. You know, I'd sell it to anybody today. It's taken so much of the guesswork out of the repro side and even in the health side. It's just staying on top of it one step better than what we could do before. I don't know how I'd ever go back. It's proven itself very well, so I'd recommend it to anybody.